Good morning, guys. It's officially yeah, that's still going on. It's officially Royce's birthday. It was yesterday. Today is officially her little birthday party at Dave & Buster's with a few of her little friends. It is freezing. It is freezing. It is freezing. Like, I wasn't even outside that long. The car was literally parked around the corner and just walking here, like, fingers freezing. Oh, I got a new color, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. This is like, it's, you okay, husband? Woo. Damn. They said freezing cold, but woo. Oh my goodness. I feel like I need to send a text like, please bundle up. I don't know. I don't think there's so many people. There's few people who travel in car, but oh my goodness, it's just. And I just spoke to Selena. She said that Sanaya got a basketball game. The coach called them yesterday and told her. That's what I said. Let me tell you something. You know what I'm looking forward to? The burgers, the sliders at Dave & Buster's. I don't know where you at in the U.S. but the sliders at Times Square are bussin'. And I heard they don't even be doing the sliders at every Dave & Buster's. That sucks. But them sliders are on point. The less people, more for me. Look. And the last time we did this for Zion. But yeah, I know Zion don't eat that kind of stuff. So we ended up bringing food back home. But it didn't go to waste. But y'all, it is freezing. The guy over here who was doing whatever to his car, he was like, shit, fuck. What? It felt like needles. Like, my hands were freezing so fast. That's crazy. But yes. Oh, this charged up really fast. But we're on our way to go and get Royalty's cake. And it's not far. Thank you, Lord. We wouldn't put in a cake order extremely far anyway. That just doesn't make no sense. But yeah, we're going to pick up the cake. Capri Bakery on 116th Street and 3rd Avenue. Their cakes are really, really good. Their cupcakes are good. They have other cakes in there also. Like pastries and things of that sort. So if you're looking for a good cake and reasonable price that won't break your pocket, I suggest there. That's where we've been getting our cakes from lately. But yeah, so I will connect back with you guys, I guess, once I get back home, because I'm gonna have to hold the cake in my hand. And yeah. Say bye, babe. I love him. Hold it. All right. We came back. We ate our breakfast, and now it is time to roll out. We got the cake. The Royalty is ready to go. All right. It's so dark, right? Anything I don't like about it, but it's all right. So I will be vlogging everything when we get to Dave & Buster's. And oh, give me some. That is smooth. Dante, give me one of these chopsticks that you got, Royce. You got more? Try and get me one.
So you are not off your real page?
Yeah, I like that. That's smooth. Alright, it's bleeding outside. So we will see you guys.
It's not bleeding. She talk about blood.
It feels like needles. The wind feels like needles poking your face. Watch when you get out there. It's very cold, even though you're going straight in the car. Alright, we'll see you there. So we are here. My mother's already here. Look. There, mommy. Look. Look at daddy. Looking like a joint. He already. Look at him.
See if it busts.
Look at the birthday girl. Happy birthday, boo boo. Here, we can move the table over a little. Oh, sorry. Just move back a little bit. I have another pink one.
Pink what?
What you call it? Pink thing.
Oh, well, it's okay if you want to put them both on there. It don't matter.
No.
You can put pink, you can put them both.
No.
Look, I'm putting all the plates. Yeah. It's too I can't let Roya see. That's cute. Is that Greg is thirst? Are you sipping already?
Yeah.
Look!
I'm like, oh, okay.
I gotta ask him about the $5 margaritas.
No.
Y'all, they got $5 margaritas.
Sober.
We don't.
You need to be sober. You need to be sober with your children.
That's why she's here. Look. Okay. Look at Royalty. You ready to do TikTok? He's bringing the, what you call it? Lemonade. What you was just drinking? Oh, the orange. Oh, you have your, what you call it?
This is for your kid. You don't want to, like, put them. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna look cute. I'm looking cute for your birthday.
You going with her? Daddy's gonna go with you to play. Go. So put it over there.
It's her.
It's too tight, Greg. It's just for her.
No, you're not.
Oh, these. Oh, okay. Okay. So yes, we were supposed to bring balloons. The helium tank. It was working yesterday. I don't know what happened today. And it was too cold to be running around. I do have balloons. Do you think there's a way we can put the balloons if I blow some a little bit?
Because that's the cake table. This is for me.
Okay. How are you? Hi, Sheila. This is my mama. This is Sheila. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Girl. And it was bleeding outside. I'm like, what? What kind of salad is that? What's that? Balsamic vinaigrette? Is that balsamic vinaigrette? Oh yeah, the GoPro. Yeah, it is. It is. I like it, but I want to get the what's the new one out that everybody's using? Yeah, that one. I want it at $1,000. Oh, I'm like waiting a little bit to see if it drops, but yes. Royalty. What happened? You got any more? Is there no more? Let me see. Hold on. You hit your thing, boo-boo? Here, hold it. Put it in your pocket. Or right here. Oh, it fits? It fits in there? Why isn't it working?
Why do you want to do
Rosie, I don't know why this is not working. Come, Charlie. What's this? Okay, wait. Let's go over here and play a game. Charlie. What's happening here?
I took a shortcut.
Oh, okay. Say happy birthday, everybody! What?
These kids are getting on my nose. Can I have your phone, please?
No. Goodness, was all a fine self.
Aging so nicely,
fine
right?
self, huh?
Aging so nicely, right?
You like it, boo boo? Huh? What? Stop! It sparkles. What the hell?
Wait, how about we get the prizes for each
These
other?
kids are too much.
It's
What
okay,
is going on here? It's just sparkling. All right, come on, let's sing. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear royalty. Happy birthday to you. Blow, boo boo.
I'm grabbing her. Look, you grabbing her in the butt.
Yes.
they come back on.
Go ahead, blow.
Those might be trick candles. I think they call it trick loads. Okay. Woo! They don't blow out.
They don't blow out.
Okay.
They don't blow out.